She's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. We're here today with the little Bobo Island boy. He's saying hi to you all. He's just had a bath. He has been unwell the last couple of days, guys. He's had a bit of a cold, so we're just going to go through the doctors and hopefully I'll be allowed to vlog there. He wants the camera, so there you go. You can have a chat with you. Talk to them, Island. Say hi. Don't hide the camera, boy. Tell them you've been trouble. He's been trouble. Tell them, I've been a naughty boy. Mummy's been trying to get me ready all day today. Alright, give me that. Give me the camera. There you go. There you go. Alright, hang on. So guys, yeah, he's been unwell and he's teething too, so it doesn't help the situation. He is... Island, we have to go, honey. Come on. We have to go. No. Don't try and grab the camera now. No. Come here. Yeah, guys, so he's been unwell and so we've been trying to get him better so he can go back to daycare and I can go back to work. I just started working and it seems like he's picked something up from daycare. Well, I don't know if he's picked it up from daycare, but I can't really say. But maybe. We don't know. Different antibodies. Alright, he wants the camera. Island, we have to go, Baba. He's missing his dad. He wants his daddy, guys. Yep. Come here, Baba. Come on. Quick. Come on, quick. Quick, otherwise the doctor's not going to see you today and then we're going to be late. Come on. Come on. Alright, we're just going to... Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your Island family. There's Island boy. So me and Island are going to the doctors because he's been unwell. I think I just mentioned that while I was getting him ready and he was being a bit, you know, he's been a little bit fussy lately. So guys, you know, it is what it is. Sometimes kids get sick. We don't know where they pick up the germs from, but they do. You know, Island has, since he was born, he's always been with me. Hasn't really been in the hands of strangers before. So, you know, people share and have different bacteria and germs, as we all know. And yeah, I'm just going to go get him checked up because he's got a really bad cough and it seems like it bothers him at night when he sleeps. So I'm going to go and check that out and see if the doctor can give him anything for that, just to help him bring up the mucus inside his, you know, inside his lungs or wherever it's coming from. Anyways guys, stay tuned. I hope I'm able to vlog in there. If I'm not, I will keep you updated. All right, bless up. Bye. Say bye, everyone. I feel something happening. Island. Could this be a spark? Island. Island boy. Island boy. So we had the doctors, guys, and oh, almost hit the fence there. And yeah, so we're just going to park the car now. And we are going to go inside. Yeah, you hear him coughing, guys. Yeah, that's right. Bobo's trouble. Alright, guys. Hi, Island. Hi. Say hi to the people. Yes. Getting ready for a shopping day? Yeah? Of course. Hi guys, so Alan just woke up. And Ireland. No. Look at the facials, guys. No. What? Hey, curly boy. What do you mean? What are you doing? He's trying to... My jumper's got like holes in it, guys. So he's like trying to, you know, get in there. No. What are you doing that for? You're making bigger holes. Don't do that. Look at his facials, guys. What are you giving me that look for? Oh, you're a beautiful boy. Mum. What are you doing, Island? Island boy. He's been got a bit of a runny nose at the moment. And he's just being cheeky. You want to show everyone you walk? You want to show everyone you go walkie? Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walk. What's that look? Mr. Jamaica? Wagwan. We'll go on with this. You can... Island. Mummy said no. Sometimes you have to say no. Excuse me. How would you like it if I put my finger in your clothes? Adda. What do you mean, Adda? What? Tell Mummy. Say hi, everyone. Hi, everyone. This is the Island family. Say hi, everyone. Island, listen here. What do you mean, Mama? Oh, what is that look, mister? It's winter, guys, so we're keeping warm and the beautiful sun rays is coming through the window. And there's one of Island's new toys over there. Hi, say hi, everyone. Talk to everybody. Say hi. Hi. Say I. What do you mean? I love you. I love you. Kiss everyone. Kiss. Mwah. Good boy. Hi, everybody. My name is Island. Island boy. Mwah. There you guys. Guys, you've got all a kiss. Island boy just gave everyone a kiss. Island, did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep? Did you have a good sleep, Island? Oh, what was that? What was that? What do you mean? He doesn't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know if you heard that, but someone just went toot toot. Island. Oh, aren't you sweet to everybody? You're kissing Dada. Daddy? Papa? Hey, Papa? Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walk. All right, you're going to go walk? You're going to show everybody your walking skills. Come on. There you go. Hang on. Let's show everybody your toy. Here, Island. Here, Island. Look. Yay! Oh, the battery's died on it already. Come on. Show everybody. Stand up. Island, stand up. Stand up. Stand up and show everyone walkie walkie. Come on, stand up. Good boy. Yeah, that's right. Come on. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walk. Yeah. Of course, yeah. Good boy. Island. Walking, walking, walking. Walking, walking, walk. Island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy. Say bye, everybody. He's doing the arc of his back. Hey. He follows grandma. He wants grandma. But he wants grandma all the time.
See you, Alicia. Bye. Bye. Walking, walking with daddy. What is walking, walking? Look.
Hey, Dada. Walking, 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 Dada. Walk to Dada. Walk to Dada. Dada boy.
Ponele, da la vuelta esa. Da la vuelta.
Dale,
Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. We are glitching.
Come on, quick. Come on. Yay! Other way. Come here. Island, go. Catchy.